guys, are you fine? I hope you're fine. Today I'm here in Metro Bank. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at these old peoples. And this is Shery. And we're in Metro Bank, if you know that. And I really like it here. I don't know what I'm doing here, but it's okay. Oh, Shery, you like this place, We're going here. Now, look, guys. It's so beautiful area. And it's so beautiful. I can't tell, but it's so good. Wow, look at these old peoples. Now we're going to Winslow. Let's go. Wow, look at these old areas. I'm so excited to go. Not Stockport, Winslow. Look at this train. Wow, this is a beautiful area I'd never seen. Wow. Let's walk and walk. How much do we have to walk? 1,000 or what? Come on, guys. Just joking. Just come on. I really love this area. Oh, do you see this? A hand thingy? Never mind. Look at these peoples. Come on, I will travel for you. Wow. I can't tell. How much long do we have to go? I'm hungry. But I'm hungry. I wanted to eat something. This and in a shop. Look at these things. I will eat it. I'm buying one kebab and one fish. Come on. And look at these drinks. We take these drinks. Wow. Coke. Everything what we need. Ketchups, sauces, and any sauce. Wow, look at these peoples. Now we're going to shop to buy something, but look at these candies. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Okay, I don't know what is this. I think so, it's cookie. But this is marshmallows. Yummy marshmallows. This is so yummy. Look at these old candies. And these are sour. Yummy. But I'm not buying this. I'm buying something else. Wow. I love this thing. Wow, look at this! A bubblegum machine. I might buy it, but not now. Wow, look at this! I can't believe. Wow. And look at this candy toy. Sour juice. Wow. This old candy. I will buy this old candy. Just joking. We don't need to buy all. This is a sour juice as well. Oh, look, guys, more candies. But I'm not eating it. sorry guys. Oh no. I'm buying this bubble gum and this Kinder Egg. Oh wow. What should I buy next? But let's not buy more. Wow, but this is keychains. You can buy any keychains over here. Wow, I like these keychains. Wow. Look at another place. I love these keychains, but I don't want to really buy it. Well, look at this. Oh, so top. We can't even reach it. But look at these candy. Yummy. Ice creams. Yummy ice creams. I really like it. I'm buying these. Oh, just joking. How much do we have to buy? Can you like and comment and share and smash the subscribe button? So bye.